All right, class 7 and beyond. So what you're going to do today in any subsequent classes until you finish the project is to review the rubric at the start of class. Ask other students what they think of your work, what can be improved. Continue working on your piece until it's complete. Remember, not until it's good enough, but until you are satisfied with it, till it's the absolute best work that you could do. Once you finish, make sure that you sign it in the bottom right-hand corner with the year 2021. Turn it in however your teacher has decided this process will take place, whether it's in Canvas, whether you're handing it to them. And if you get done early, keep in mind that little challenge I gave you that maybe you just do it in reverse. So if you took a real person, turn them into a cartoon. What if you do it the other way? Take a cartoon character and try to transform them into a real person. So again, I have some examples here for you. There's tons of videos. Hopefully your teacher has shown you some of these throughout the course of the project, just how Robert DeJesus does his pieces, which are really cool, and some different other styles that you can kind of look at. There's some little extras here that you can look at as well, but I can't wait to see some of these pieces. I think you're doing awesome. All right.